Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to buy SHEIN gift card. So first of all, go to your web browser of your choice, and in Google what you have to search for is SHEIN gift card. Simply search for SHEIN gift card on Google. Now go to the first page that will be shown to you, and it will show you in something like this. Now what you have to do is simply select the design for yourself and then select the amount for yourself. Now what you have to do is type your email address at the bottom of the blank. Now below the email address, what you have to do is simply type your name, and here what you have to do is type your message, and then after that simply select this. By placing this order, I agree that I have read and understood the terms and conditions options. Simply tap on this tick button, and then it will show you in checkout options. Simply go to checkout, and it will ask you your card numbers and your so on all your credentials. Complete that and you will be able to buy a SHEIN gift card. So there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment down your thoughts, and until then, goodbye.